All right, so here we have the Grand Avenue railroad crossing here in Fox Lake, Illinois. So here is the first signal. It has a Western Colin Hayes base, a GRS gate mechanism. Let me repeat that, a GRS gate mechanism. The lights on the main lights are two pairs of Safetran 12 by 24 inch lights with, I believe, Harman LEDs. The side lights are more two pairs of Safetran 12 by 24 inch lights, possibly Harman LEDs. The gate lights, I believe, are Ricoh LED gate lights. And let me get over to the other side. If I can cross now. Here is the second signal. And it's another Western Colin Hayes base. A Western Colin Hayes gate mechanism. Here's the emergency information. Dot numbers 386-455-55X. The main lights are more Safetran 12 by 24 inch lights with Harman LEDs possibly. And then the side lights are more Safetran 12 by 24 inch lights with Harman LEDs. And then the bell, it's pretty hard to see, but a Western Colin Hayes mechanical bell. And then the gate lights are possibly Ricoh LED gate lights. And here are the track views. That way is looking north towards Spring Grove, Solon Mills, and Richmond, and down there is the Oak Street crossing. And there's a track view looking south towards Ingleside, Round Lake, and then eventually Grays Lake. And this is along the, actually two lines this is owned by. Wisconsin Southern and Metro's Milwaukee District North. So that was the Grand Avenue Railroad crossing here in Fox Lake, Illinois. Over and out.